It's recess time. I can finally eat my meal. By the way, do you know that chemical reactions occur inside you when you eat your meal? Chemical reactions are real processes that take place in nature like respiration, photosynthesis, burning, rusting of iron, combustion of gasoline, and ripening of fruits. They involve changes in one or more substances into new substances with different physical and chemical properties. Are certain things that will help us identify if a chemical reaction has taken place. Did it slide? Did it get hot or get cold? Did I mix two liquids together in a solid form? Did it change its color?
Is it bubbling?
Chemical reactions may be classified in different ways, but we shall discuss only 5 types. Let's start with the combination reaction. This is when two or more substances are combined to form a single product. The general form for this reaction is where A and B may be elements or compounds, while AB is always a compound consisting of A and B. Typical reactions are the combinations of metals with non-metals to form salts, as when copper combines with oxygen on application of heat. The next is the decomposition reaction. In this reaction, a single compound is broken down into two or more single substances. The general form for this reaction is shown as where AB is always a compound, while A and B may be elements or compounds. A common example is sugar, which decomposes on application of heat. Third one is the single replacement or displacement reactions, where an element replaces another element in a compound. The general equation of this reaction is a typical example is the reaction of the zinc metal with hydrochloric acid. Next is the double replacement reaction. In this reaction, two compounds exchange cations to produce different compounds. The general equation for this reaction is an example of reaction between sodium hydroxide and sulfuric acid is given below. Last is the combustion reaction. This happens when an element or compound reacts with oxygen, often producing energy in the form of heat and light. Chemical reactions are at the heart of literally every biological process in the universe. We've seen chemical reactions that resulted to better things, just like in cooking, and there are chemical reactions that led to unfavorable things such as the rusting of iron. Analogically, in life, we can change either for the better or for the worse. Free will exists, but we are still morally responsible for our choices.